Did you know a medieval bishop solved one of science's greatest mysteries 250 years before Galileo almost died for it? Nicolas Rem was tutoring the future king of France when he did something extraordinary. He used pure mathematics to prove the Earth spins on its axis. While everyone believed Aristotle's teaching that Earth stood perfectly still, Oresme showed the math. A rotating Earth explained the stars better than a motionless one. He even figured out why objects fall straight down on a moving planet. Newton wouldn't discover this for centuries, but here's where it gets fascinating. After proving his theory with flawless logic, Oresme wrote something shocking. He said he still believed in the traditional stationary Earth because it matched religious scripture. He chose faith over his own mathematical proof. This teaches us something profound about wisdom. Sometimes the greatest minds can see truth clearly, but choose the path that serves their deeper purpose. Oresme knew that being right isn't always about being revolutionary. Sometimes wisdom means knowing when to hold your ground and when to let truth wait for its time.